Hello, welcome. Good morning from Cancun here and the Casa Maya hotel. Great success. It's a beautiful day. First we're gonna make some coffee and then we're gonna go and do some pool tricks at the pool to get ready for the day. I have a past history of destroying coffee machines, but hopefully it's not gonna happen this time. Now we have to start the coffee machine, so we're gonna pour the water into the coffee machine. Come along with me, and I ease your pain. The coffee is almost done, and then we're gonna go out and do some pool tricks. The coffee is done. Let's go and enjoy it on the balcony. Such a beautiful morning here. I'm gonna finish the coffee and then prepare for some pool tricks. Today I'm gonna attempt the downhill skier as a pool trick. Yesterday I did the skier, but it was not very clean because I was sliding on the rail and I almost fell backwards, you know. But today we're gonna do a real downhill skier pool trick. So let's go down to the pool and start the pool tricks. It's time for the pool tricks. Here we have the main pool, but I don't think it's appropriate to do pool tricks when there are so many other people in the pool. So we're gonna go over to the other side of the pool and do some pool tricks in privacy. Here we can do pool tricks in privacy. We're gonna get straight into it with the forward-leaning downhill skier. The downhill skier has been successfully performed. Now we're gonna do the long jump. A new world record, 9 meters. Now we're gonna do a few quick pool tricks and then maybe go for some snorkeling, and then I need to buy some food also. Now it's time to head down to the beach and do some snorkeling. Let's go! I'm just gonna get my snorkel and then it will be time for some snorkeling. Alright everybody, now it's time for some snorkeling. I just had to go up and get my snorkel. I never thought I would say this because I've been speaking about frying so much in the past that we need to fry ourselves and get tan, but we actually need a little bit of sunscreen sometimes, especially on the nose, because it sticks out, so it gets like a deep frying angle, you know. When the sun comes, it burns your nose. And also the top of your shoulders, we need some sunscreen so we don't fry ourselves completely today. Nom 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 nom. I've been going up and down to the room so many times, but now I'm finally on my way to show you the other side of the beach.
swim in under a boat over here. here. There's a couple of boats right here.
I swam down pretty deep, but soon I would discover that all the boats come out of a lagoon on the inside of the hotel zone area, so I couldn't swim out very far without risking getting run over by a boat.
Oh, so nice. Oh.
It was really incredible to sit in the water and enjoy the nice day.
Actually, there were too many boats out there, and so I couldn't go snorkeling much, but I think I'm gonna go for a walk instead to the other side of the beach.
Hello, now I came to this place here where you can see some pirate ships, and we also have some really nice hotels and resorts here along the beach. The weather is perfect and it's an incredible day. Just walking here on the beach is super nice. You have just resort after resort and so many nice motorboats just going by. It's the perfect vacation destination.
I had walked further down the hotel zone.
Right now I'm gonna go back to the hotel Casa Maya, but it's been a nice walk along the beach. Really, really incredible scenery. Great success.
But it's really nice here in this place, and it's so nice to look at all the boats outside here, from the balcony. You see so many boats, really nice. I really enjoyed my time here, and it would never get old to look at the view from the balcony. My dream of just being able to travel around and record videos was coming much closer. What are we gonna do now? That's the question. But I enjoy just being here. It's so nice to just hang out here and look at the boats and enjoy the view. It's perfect. Really, really great success. I was thinking some really good thoughts on this balcony and with an optimistic view of the future.
Oh, I took a nap and woke up. The sunset is so nice. I was a little tired, so I had to take a nap. But now I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy the sunset. Maybe I'll go for a night swim also. I'm just really astonished by the view every time I go out here. I can just sit here and look at the view for a while, actually. Now it's time for an evening pool trick. I like the pool here on this side much better. You get some privacy for your pool tricks. We are gonna finish off this video with the Sleeping Beauty pool trick. So what you're gonna do is you have to put your hands like this, and then you have to fall to the side and fall asleep. So we have to cover our ears so we don't rupture our eardrum like I did a few years ago. Alright my friends, that was it for today. I'm gonna head back up and edit some videos maybe until 2 in the morning again, so we can do some more Sleeping Beauty pool tricks tomorrow. But thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, please leave it a like, a comment, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Come along with me and I ease your pain.